Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Juke fog light bulb. First, let's prepare by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and possibly a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Having the correct replacement bulb, like an H8, is crucial. For better access and safety, consider using jack stands or ramps to lift the front of your car. Now, let's get to the bulb. For the driver's side, you can often reach the fog light by opening the hood and reaching down, though it might be a tight squeeze. The passenger side usually requires access from underneath the car. You'll need to remove any plastic splash shields or fender liner clips. This often involves taking out a few 10mm bolts to gain clear access to the fog light housing. With access gained, locate the bulb socket at the rear of the fog light housing. Gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it, then carefully pull it straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the socket and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Once the new bulb is in, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reattach any splash shields, fender liners, or under-tray components you removed. Make sure all clips and 10mm bolts are securely fastened to prevent anything from coming loose. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to ensure it illuminates properly. You've successfully changed your Nissan Juke fog light bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.